Hi everyone, myself Ruti. Today welcome you all for my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to discuss about the company which is giving a dividend of 58 rupees per share. That company is known as Bpcl, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, which is giving a dividend of 58 rupees per share. It's almost a 12% dividend yield when it compared to the current market price of Bpcl. So why the Bpcl is giving so much of dividend in this year? Currently in this year, the Bpcl has given 79 rupees dividend. So why? So the main reason is that usually the company gives almost 16 rupees dividend every year, 16 to 20 rupees. But in this year, the company has made a stake sale of NRL refineries. So from that, the company has obtained 9,800 crores around. So due to that, the company is having a reserves. They want to distribute that stake sale money to the shareholders of the companies. So that is the reason the company is distributing the stake sale amount to the shareholders by the dividend. So the dividend which the company has announced is 58 rupees. To get the dividend, the eligible date to get dividend, if you are buying this share one day before the ex-dividend date of September 16, you will be eligible to get that dividend. So the reason which I am telling you is very quite interesting, because everybody knows it. The company is giving a 58 rupees dividend per share, still the stock price is not moving. Why the stock price is not moving so much? Because retail peoples, they know in the HPCL they are get hurt because of chasing a dividend. So they have lost so much of their money thinking of getting a 22 rupees dividend and losing so much of their wealth. So because of that reason, the retail peoples are so much careful about entering into the Bpcl dividend trick play. So at the current market price, the stock is very attractive. Looking at the future perspectives, looking at the privatization is coming in the Bpcl stake sale, what the government is taking on in the next coming year of by March 22, they may be doing a privatization. So that is on the play. Next one, the crude oil is on the higher demand. So because of that crude oil also, they are getting a good margins and they are getting a good profits from that. And the next, the natural gas is at the all-time high. Because of that, the companies which has been impacted positively is the Bpcl, ONGC, HPCL. These are the oil refinery companies which has been getting a good advantage from the natural gas also. There is a lot of positivity in the oil and gas sector, but the only reason is that the stock is not moving so much because the retail people don't want to take it up, because if definitely they know on September 16 the stock is going to open 50 to 60 rupees lower than the last traded price on September 15. So if it happens, every people want to unload their shares. Who is going to buy that? So there is really no peoples to buy that. Only the big peoples have to enter that. So that is the time when the big people will going to enter into the stocks by 60 to 70 rupees cheaper than the current market price. It is going to happen. You have to wait. My dear friend, if you ask me whether you want to invest in Bpcl dividend play or not, I want to tell you, at the current market price, don't invest. If you are playing for dividend, please don't invest. If you are playing for the future prospect, if you are playing for the longer term view for the next 6 to 1 year, please go and invest. And another one notable point which I want to tell you is that the Nifty is at all-time high of 17,400. So anytime the stock market is going to give you a brutal corrections, in this correction many retail people is going to go out of the market. Definitely I am very much sure, because bull markets are going to give very good corrections of 10 to 12 percentage. That is the time which you want to enter. So there is a chance of brutal correction may come off. So due to that, please be aware when you are investing in the stock market, when you are playing any kind of a trick. You want to play in the dividend, whatever you don't play such trick in the current environment for almost 1 to 2 months, because the situation is not like that. Every global market, world market is overheated. Anytime it may correct. So these are all the lot of positive points also there, negative point also there. The conclusion is that if you are investing for the longer term, stay invested. If you are investing for the dividend trick, don't invest. Wait for the dip. The current support for the stock is at 432 rupees. Definitely it's going to come there. Take a first call on the stock by investing some amount of the money to the Bpcl, or around 40% of your investment what you want to do. Next, the stock if again dips, again it's having a support at 405 rupees, you can go and invest another 20 to 30% to this company. Next, the stock will going to take you to the profitable positions. This is the advice which I am giving to you all guys. If you want to play a investment in Bpcl company, for if you are investing for dividend play, no. So lastly, for the conclusion, what I want to tell about the Bpcl is that it is not a open call for all of you to go and buy the stocks and get a profit. Don't buy it. If you want to do an investment, please take your financial planner or financial advisor advice and then only invest. So by this I am ending this video. In the next future videos I will be giving a lot of fundamental analysis of many companies which I will be lined up, which is be coming in the next videos. Please stay tuned and watch. Thank you all. Bye bye.